पणजेच्या आवर लेडी ऑफ इमॅक्युलेट कन्सेप्शन सायबिणीचे सोमारा फेस्त जाले. हे फेस्त म्हळ्यार पणजेकारां खातीर दबाजाचो सण. फेस्ताक बेसां घेवपाक भाविकांनी बरीच गर्दी केली. RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The parish of Panjim has celebrated today the feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Immaculate Conception means that Mother Mary was preserved free from every stain of original sin. All of us are born in original sin, but the Church decreed and defined that Mary was exempted from original sin right from the moment of her conception. So this is a great honor and privilege bestowed on Mother Mary by the Church. And Our Lady of Immaculate Conception is the patroness of our Panjim parish. So it is a great spiritual event for all the parishioners of Panjim. And I am glad to say that this feast attracts not only Catholics but also our brothers and sisters from other faiths. They come to Mother Mary to seek and implore her blessings, her protection and her guidance. This gives us a great joy to see that amongst us there is harmony, peace and joy. Pope Pius IX defined and pronounced the dogma of Immaculate Conception on 8 December 1854. And since then, it was officially celebrated throughout the Catholic Church, the feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception.